Hey y'all, this is Monica. I am the Natural Hair Eclectic, and I just wanted to share with you a quick little recipe for a homemade plant-based banana conditioner that I've been using in my hair. And I'm about to upload a video to show you how I actually wash and condition my hair on my wash day, and I'm going to use this conditioner you'll see in the video. So just want to show you quickly how you can use the things that you already have at home in your pantry to make things more affordable, economical, and more healthy for you using plant-based products that are healthy for your hair. So in order to make this conditioner, it's going to be a banana conditioner. So of course we have an overripe banana. The only reason I choose an overripe banana is because it's going to be extra mushy, which is going to be good for blending it up into a creamier consistency. Then in that container with the yellow top, you can't see it, but that is organic aloe vera gel. It actually is aloe vera gel that came directly from an aloe vera plant, and all you do is just cut the leaf open and scoop out the contents, and I can upload a video about that at a later date. We also have some honey. I just threw this in because I had a little bit left in this container, and I'm just going to melt that honey and pour it in with everything else. Honey is great in hair, skin, and body products. It's a wonderful moisturizer. It is a natural humectant, meaning that it has chemicals in it, or not chemicals, but properties that help to draw moisture to it. It attracts moisture, so anything you put it in is going to help to attract moisture to your hair. Same thing for the aloe vera gel. I'm sure that you've seen many home hair and body products that have aloe in it because aloe is very soothing, relaxing, but it's also good for your skin, very nourishing, moisturizing, etc. So we also have some products that I got from the Dollar General store. Believe it or not, $1.25 each. We have a blend of extra virgin olive oil and sunflower oil. I use this in my soap making a lot, just for home care. You can cook with it. You can also use it on skin and body as well. And then I have my ultimate favorite, which is coconut oil. And this is from the Dollar Tree as well. You can cook with this as well, but it's also good for hair and body. I make soap with it as well. And coconut oil is, to me, the hands down best oil that you can purchase for yourself because it's so versatile. You can use it in so many things. There's a lot of hair, body, and skin recipes that call for coconut oil, and you can also cook with it as well. Now, these two oils here are refined oils. It's not the best, but it's not going to hurt you. It works. But if you can, get you some cold-pressed organic coconut oil and olive oil whenever you can. Now, I also have some distilled water from Kroger. That's like, what, 89 cents a buck. And the distilled water is better because it's going to be more purified and not have as many chemicals in it as your tap water does. Whenever you're soap making and things like that, it is important to use distilled water. In this recipe, you don't necessarily need it. I did add it in because I decided to make this like a puree. I did put a little bit too much in there, but it's okay because if you're going to use it as a conditioner, the more liquidy it is, it's going to be easier to spread right. So it'll be fine. But you could forgo the water because the oil might be liquid enough to give you the consistency that you want for a conditioner. So I'm not going to show you measurements because I don't use exact measurements. I just pour in whatever I think is a good amount for each thing. So just measure intuitively however much that you feel like you need. Of course, the main ingredient here is banana, so I'm going to use more of the banana, probably a half to 3/4. I know that my hair personally likes a lot of coconut oil, so I may use a little bit more of that. And just the others to, based on personal judgment. And then, it'll be fine. There's no exact science to it, just whatever you feel is good for you. The other important thing to remember is that you're using fresh ingredients. So this is not something that you can make and put in the refrigerator and use it later. You want to make it when you're ready to use it. If you were to put it in the refrigerator, I wouldn't leave it in there for more than 12 to 24 hours. You want to use it right away, because since it does have water here, but also because these are plants and oils, they can go bad, especially the plant-based items, the banana, the water, can grow mold and other things like that, which you don't want. So we want to use this right away because there's no preservative in this. It's all natural, all organic and all fresh. Next, you're going to need a Ninja blender, and so I have a Ninja blender here that I just want to show you. I've had this forever. It's a 16-ounce single cup Serve Ninja blender. I'll put a link in the description box if you don't have one. If you just need something for your personal use, then you're just, if you live by yourself or it's just one or two of you in the household, this will be good for you. It's great for making smoothies and things like that, and for pureeing things. And that's essentially what I'm going to do with these ingredients, is to kind of puree it and make it into a conditioner. So just to let you know how that works, you'll see that you have the base of the Ninja blender. You have the cups. It comes with 2 of these cups. And you have 2 lids, which I'm not showing here because I have the blender bottom attached. But you have the one of the lids. Actually, you're going to get 3 lids. One of the lids has the blade attached to it, and that's what you actually are going to use to blend the contents. And then it comes with 2 additional lids that you can just put on it when you're finished blending, and you can use it to, store it in the refrigerator, sip on it as you want throughout the day. But for this, how you're going to blend is you're going to put all of your contents into the cup. The top that has the blades on it, you're going to put that top onto the cup and screw it on with the blades inside of the cup. Make sure that it's secure. You flip the cup over, and you're going to put the cup into the base of the Ninja. You press down, and then while you're pressing down, you twist it to the right, and that's how you activate it to blend the contents. And you can just blend and stop and blend and stop. Shake it to make sure that everything is well mixed, to your desire. And then once it's completely blended, you just take that top off, and you can just drink it like that, or you can use one of the tops to store it in your refrigerator and, just sip it with a straw or whatever when you want. So I just wanted to show you quickly just what I was using today when I washed my hair, the conditioner that I put together. This isn't my first time using this. I did make this banana conditioner before. I just didn't put honey in it. And if I had some avocado, I would have loved to put that in it, but I didn't have any. But it worked really well for me before. The only issue that I had was it was a little grainy. But that's because I didn't use my blender the first time. I just did it by hand. So using the Ninja is going to help me to get a really smooth texture, and really for greater application for conditioner as well. So stay tuned, and you will see my wash day using this conditioner. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll be right back with you.